We are opening up the Avery and Austin box today. Avery and Austin has everything for a perfect play date. This is the April box. Are you ready, Llama? She's very unexcited, a 6-year-old. Okay. So it comes really nicely wrapped. Let's see what's in it. Know that. Okay, what do you see? What kind of activity is this for April?
Don't know.
No, it's a dirt and mud and rocks. Oh my.
What are these?
It's a garden box. What are those?
Artist!
Artist stuff. Applesauce? Probably snacks for the play date, huh? Little snacks for the play date. Some rocks, some soil. This is acrylic paint, the stuff that was artist stuff.
Hey, look at the sticks more.
Sticks. Oh, what's that?
Paintbrushes.
There's some paintbrushes.
I'd rather paint this than paint the dirt.
Some clay. A clay mask. Cool. This looks like a pretty cool play date. So who are you going to invite over for your play date?
Juliet?
Oh yeah? Do you think this will be a really fun activity for you guys to do?
No idea.
No idea.
It's
dirt and mud and rocks. Oh my. Color in the garden. So you get to paint these rocks.
Can we
And
do
you
that?
can paint some stuff. Yeah.
I'm going to do that now.
Hey, that's Avery and Austin. Thank you for joining us.
And thank you for looking at this gigantic lip balm.